Now, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas. The problem number 82, how to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. So here the problem reads as a square lamina of 40 mm side rests on one of its sides on HP. The lamina makes 30 degrees to HP and the side on which it rests makes 45 degrees to VP. Draw its projections. So the solution is here. So we need to write this final solution by using AutoCAD software. So first we'll go to the AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. The command is limits. So type limits. Lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner is 297, 210, then zoom off, then go to line, select some arbitrary point, take the distance, give the direction through the mouse and enter the distance as 297 and take the cursor to the top side and give 210 and take the cursor to the left side and take 297 and then say close. Then go to zoom, extends, zoom 0.56x. Once you do that, so now we go for layer. So click on the new layer, take the layer by name XY. Again click on new, take the layer by name front view FV. Click on new, take the layer by name top view TV and enter. Now the layer 0 will contain the projector lines. All the projector lines will be of 0.05 and the layer XY will contain the line XY which is going to have line thickness as 0.13. And the front view, all the front views will have the line weight as 0.5. So the front view layer will going to have 0.5 and the top view layer will going to have 0.5 again and say close. Now top view will going to have the magenta color and the front view will going to have this blue color and say OK, say close. Now we'll go for this and create a polygon of 40 mm side. So just go to polygon and the number of sides is 4. Take the edge option. So you take 40 mm side. So you take 40 mm side. So once you do that, so then just go to move, select this and place it wherever you want. Then go to line and draw a horizontal line and take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Then you just click on this, go to layer, make that layer as front view and say close. Similarly, you just click on this and go to layer, take the layer as top view, then go to line weight display. Then you just copy the first position here and rotate that by an angle of 30 degrees. So then go to copy, select this line and copy it to the next position and then go to rotate, select this rotation angle. So end of this, so the rotation angle is 30 degrees. Counterclockwise direction is positive. So line, take end point of this and then again you take end point of this. Then go to line, take int on this and draw perpendicular to this line. And you take line int on this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to trim, select this as the cutting edge and object to trim as these two. Then go to break, take first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then you select between these two and you select between these two and go to layer, take that layer as top view. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and then go to line, take int of this and draw this on this side. Now you copy the second position here and then rotate that by an angle of 45 degrees. So then just go to copy, select this entire thing by selecting the window. Then you just copy this and then go to rotate, select this and rotation angle by 45 degrees. Once you do that, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw a horizontal line and then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this and then draw int of this now. Then go to fillet between this line and this line. Then go to line, take int of this and draw int and int of this. Then go to extend, select this as the boundary and object to extend as this. Then go to break, select this first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. Then break first point, take int of this and say at the rate. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing. Then you just go to all the select these 4 lines and go to layer, make that layer as front view, and then you just break this line till here. Then you select this line and you select this line and you select this line. Go to layer, make that layer as XY. Then go to DDIM, then go to modify, then primary units position, make it 0 and text type 3. Then center becomes above, aligned with the dimension line, offset from the dimension line as 3, arrow size as 3, and lines offset from the origin as 3, and say OK and say close. Now we go to dim, take int of this and you take intersection point of this. So you will go to get it as 40 degree, 40 mm. Then go to zoom, then go to zoom window, you select this. Then go to dim, go to angular, select between this line and this line. So you will go to get it 30 degrees. Then go to dim, angular, select between this line and this line. You're going to get 45 degrees. Then go to dim TAD, text edit dimension for the dimension. So you just place it wherever you want. Then go to break. Then go to break, select this line and break it. Then go to detext. You take the text height as 3, rotation angle of text as 0. So you take it as XVP and this as HP and this as capital Y and this as small letter A and this as B, this as C and this as D and this as A dash and this as B dash and this as C dash in bracket and this as D dash in bracket. So once you do that, then go to move, switch off the ortho mode, you move X here and then VP here, then HP here, then you just go to A and you just go to D and here it is C and here it is D. Then go to A dash, then D dash, then B dash, then C dash. So here you just go to select this entire thing and then go to layer, make that layer as front view, and here you take this HP and this D, A, B and C, go to layer, make that layer as top view. Then go to copy, copy this A dash and copy this D dash and copy this B dash and copy this C dash and you copy this A and that A will come here and you copy this B and that B will come here and you copy the C and that C will come here and you copy this D, that D will come here. Then go to D text. So here you mark this as A dash and this as B dash and this as C dash and this as D dash. Then once you do that, then go to move A dash, move B dash, move C dash and you move this D dash. Then you select C dash, B dash and A dash, go to layer, make that layer as front view. So this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD software, and this is the final solution, and that solution and this solution is almost one and the same. So this is how you will be able to create the drawing by using AutoCAD software. Thank you.